Question number 1. How many pairs of ribs do humans typically have? Correct answer is option C, 12. Question number 2. Which ribs are considered true ribs? Correct answer is option B, 1 to 7. Question number 3. What are floating ribs? Correct answer is option B, ribs connected to the vertebra but not the sternum. Question number 4. Which ribs are classified as false ribs? Correct answer is option B, 8 to 12. Question number 5. What is the primary function of ribs? Correct answer is option B, protection of the thoracic organs. Question number 6. The head of a rib articulates with which structure? Correct answer is option B, vertebral body. Question number 7. What is the costal groove? Correct answer is option B, a depression for nerves and blood vessels. Question number 8. The costal cartilage connects the ribs to which bone? Correct answer is option B, sternum. Question number 9. Which rib is the shortest in humans? Correct answer is option A, first rib. Question number 10. What is the rib cage primarily composed of? Correct answer is option B, bones, cartilage and sternum. Question number 11. How many ribs are floating ribs? Correct answer is option A, 2 pairs. Question number 12. Which ribs are attached to the sternum by costal cartilage? Correct answer is option B, true ribs only. Question number 13. What are the last 2 pairs of ribs called? Correct answer is option C, floating ribs. Question number 14. What type of ribs are 8 to 10? Correct answer is option C, false ribs. Question number 15. What differentiates true ribs from false ribs? Correct answer is option B, true ribs connect directly to the sternum. Question number 16. The sternum is divided into how many parts? Correct answer is option B, 3. Question number 17. Which joint connects the ribs to the vertebra? Correct answer is option B, costovertebral. Question number 18. What part of the rib articulates with the transverse process of the vertebra? Correct answer is option C, tubersal. Question number 19. What is the name of the joint between the sternum and costal cartilage? Correct answer is option B, sternocostal joint. Question number 20. Which part of the rib is closest to the vertebral column? Correct answer is option B, head. Question number 21. A fractured rib can damage which nearby structure? Correct answer is option B, lungs. Question number 22. What is a common symptom of a rib fracture? Correct answer is option B, difficulty breathing. Question number 23. Which imaging technique is best for detecting rib fractures? Correct answer is option C, X-ray. Question number 24. Which condition involves inflammation of the cartilage between ribs and sternum? Correct answer is option A. Question number 25. What is the most common use of rib injuries? Correct answer is option B, trauma or impact. Question number 26. Which ribs protect the heart and lungs? Correct answer is option A, ribs 1 to 7. Question number 27. Which muscles are located between the ribs? Correct answer is option A, intercostal muscles. Question number 28. Which rib is most commonly fractured? Correct answer is option D, middle ribs 4 to 10. Question number 29. What role do ribs play during respiration? Correct answer is option B, allow lung expansion. Question number 30. Which part of the rib cage moves during breathing? Correct answer is option C, all ribs and sternum. Question number 31. At birth, ribs are primarily composed of which tissue? Correct answer is option B, cartilage. Question number 32. What is a cervical rib? Correct answer is option B, an extra rib above the first rib. Question number 33. What percentage of people have a cervical rib? Correct answer is option A, 1%. Question number 34. Which ribs are more prone to injury? Correct answer is option C, floating ribs. Question number 35. Rib growth occurs during which stage of life? Correct answer is option D, all stages. Question number 36. What condition results in abnormal fusion of ribs? Correct answer is option C, synostosis. Question number 37. Which disease leads to weak or brittle ribs? Correct answer is option B, osteoporosis. Question number 38. Which syndrome affects the nerve between the clavicle and first rib? Correct answer is option B, thoracic outlet syndrome. Question number 39. What is the medical term for a rib removal surgery? Correct answer is option A, costostomy. Question number 40. Which vitamin deficiency can lead to rib deformities? Correct answer is option D, vitamin D. Question number 41. Which ribs have no anterior attachment? Correct answer is option C, ribs 11 to 12. Question number 42. Which ribs from the widest part of the rib cage? Correct answer is option C, middle ribs. Question number 43. What separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity? Correct answer is option B, diaphragm. Question number 44. The angle of a rib is located where? Correct answer is option B, where the rib curves most sharply. Question number 45. Which ribs articulate with the monobrem? Correct answer is option B, first and second ribs. Question number 46. What motion is associated with the rib movement during inhalation? Correct answer is option A, upward and outward. Question number 47. Which joint allows rib movement during breathing? Correct answer is option C, costovertebral joint. Question number 48. What helps stabilize the rib cage during breathing? Correct answer is option A, intercostal muscles. Question number 49. Which ribs contribute most to the pump handle motion? Correct answer is option A, upper ribs. Question number 50. What contributes to the bucket handle motion of the ribs? Correct answer is option B, elevation of the middle ribs.